Before you scroll away, take a moment to look at this small coin, a piece of world history that once traveled through the hands of a nation. This is the 1978 10-cent coin from the Republic of Kenya, a tiny circular doorway into Africa's past. On its surface lies the powerful Kenyan coat of arms, two lions guarding a shield, symbols of courage, unity, and identity. This coin isn't just metal. It represents a turning point in history, a year of political change, and the early era of Kenya's nation-building. Today we'll uncover its story, value, history, symbolism, and why collectors around the world still search for coins like this. Let's begin. We explore the history and legacy of the Kenyan 5 shillings coin from the year 1975, a powerful symbol of national pride and economic identity during one of the most defining decades of Kenya's early independence era. This coin is not just a piece of currency. It represents leadership, cultural strength, and the artistic style that shaped East African numismatic history. The first thing that stands out on the 1975 issue is the bold and detailed coat of arms of Kenya, placed proudly at the center. Two lions stand on each side of the shield, representing courage, strength, and guardianship over the republic. The shield carries traditional African patterns, and behind it, two spears are crossed, symbolizing readiness to defend the nation. These elements were chosen with deep cultural meaning, reflecting Kenya's struggle for independence and its unity as a new nation. But what makes the 1975 5 shillings coin especially significant is the portrait that appears on the reverse side of many versions minted during this era. The image is of Jomo Kenyatta, the first president and founding father of Kenya. His presence on the coin represents leadership, vision, and the journey of a young nation finding its identity and strength. For collectors, coins featuring Kenyatta's portrait hold special historical value because they mark the earliest years of the republic. The size and weight of the 5 shillings coin set it apart from smaller denominations. It was designed to feel strong, heavy, and secure, reflecting its relatively high value during the mid-1970s. At that time, 5 shillings had substantial purchasing power. It could buy meals, groceries, bus fares, and important household items. This made the coin extremely common in daily life, from local markets and villages to busy cities like Nairobi and Mombasa. Over the years, the economic landscape of Kenya changed significantly. Inflation and modernization led to new coin designs, and larger denominations like the old 5 shillings became too heavy and costly to produce. As a result, the 1975 version slowly disappeared from regular circulation and became part of numismatic collections worldwide. Collectors look at 3 important details when evaluating this coin. 1. Condition: coins with sharp details around the lion's shield and Kenyatta's portrait gain higher value. 2. Mint clarity. Clear inscriptions of Republic of Kenya and 5 shillings increase appeal. 3. Historical year: 1975 is considered a strong year for collectors because it falls within Kenya's first decade of independence. What makes this coin truly remarkable is how well it ages. Even after 40 to 50 years, the engraving often remains visible, thanks to the strong metal alloy used at the time. Many collectors admire the rugged texture and deep artistic lines that reflect authentic African craftsmanship. Each mark tells a story. Every curve, symbol, and portrait carries meaning, making it a memorable piece for anyone who appreciates world coins. While this coin is not extremely rare, its cultural and emotional value is undeniable. It reminds us of Kenya's early path of nation-building, political transformation, and economic growth. For coin collectors, it represents a bridge between history and artistry. For historians, it reflects the spirit of an emerging African republic. And for enthusiasts of world currency, it is a timeless example of meaningful design. The 1975 5 shillings coin stands today as more than money. It is a preserved memory, a snapshot of Kenya's identity from a time when the nation was rising with hope, unity, and determination. Holding this coin is like holding a small piece of African history, crafted in metal, carrying the legacy of a proud nation. Today we dive into the remarkable story behind the 1978 10-cent coin from Kenya, a piece of currency that carries cultural, historical, and national significance far beyond its monetary value. The first thing that captures your attention on this coin is the Kenyan coat of arms, featured boldly in the center. The two lions standing on each side of the shield symbolize bravery and strength. The shield itself represents the defense of Kenya's freedom, a reminder of a long struggle for independence. Behind the shield are two spears pointing upward, reflecting readiness and protection. Every detail of this design was carefully chosen when Kenya emerged as an independent nation in 1963, and by 1978 these symbols had already become iconic representations of identity and patriotism. The year 1978 holds special significance in Kenyan history. It was the year President Jomo Kenyatta, the founding father of the nation, passed away, and leadership transitioned to Daniel Arap Moi. Coins from this year mark a moment of political shift, which makes them particularly attractive to collectors around the world. Many coin collectors specifically look for pre-1980 Kenyan coins because they were minted in smaller quantities, and their metal composition gives them a unique aged appearance. The 10-cent coin may seem small, but it was an essential part of Kenya's economy. Back in the 1970s and 1980s, this coin could buy basic items, local snacks, or pay for public services. Over time, inflation changed the value of the Kenyan shilling, and coins like this slowly disappeared from daily use. Eventually, Kenya redesigned its currency system, making these older coins both rare and historically valuable. Another important detail worth noticing is the quality of engraving. Even after decades, the lion's shield and lettering often remain visible, proving the durability of the metal alloy used during that era. Many collectors appreciate older Kenyan coins for their rugged texture and their ability to preserve cultural artwork. Today, the value of this coin depends mainly on condition. A well-preserved piece with clear details may be worth more to collectors in Africa, Europe, and Asia. Although the 10-cent coin is not extremely rare, its historical background and strong symbolism make it worth keeping, especially for beginners interested in African numismatics. In the modern world where digital currency is taking over, holding this coin in your hand is like holding a piece of Kenya's early identity. The story of this 10-cent coin reminds us how nations express their strength and unity through symbols carved into something as simple as a coin. These symbols last far longer than the value printed on them. Thank you for watching. If you want more deep dives into rare coins, world currencies, and hidden collectibles, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. More history-filled coins are coming your way.